Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Republic of Somaliland Minerals Expo. This event reflects our strong commitment to present the rich minerals and natural resources of our country to international investors and to our people. Somaliland is a trusted and a stable partner for major investment and long-term cooperation. We have clear rules, secure borders, and a responsible government that makes it easy and safe to do business in Somaliland. Our nation is blessed with many minerals, including rare ones that are highly demanded in the global markets. Many areas of Somaliland have already been identified for mining, offering great opportunities for serious and honest partners who wish to invest in our great country. My government is fully committed to developing these resources in a transparent and sustainable way so that all regions and communities of Somaliland will benefit. We are strengthening the skills of our workforce and expanding exploration efforts to bring more of Somaliland resources to the world market. This development supports our national goals of creating jobs, expanding industry, improving access to energy, and building a strong and sustainable economy. Somaliland remains one of the most peaceful, stable places in the region. And this stability gives investors real confidence in choosing Somaliland. I thank all delegates and partners who have joined us today. Somaliland is open for business. And you are warmly welcome for a cooperation and a partnership.